Hi guys, and welcome to the Beauty Skin channel, home of all things skincare, beauty, hair and DIY remedies and products that you can make from the comfort of your own home. So today I'm going to be making a lip scrub, and as you can see I'm sitting in my kitchen because 2 or 3 of the products you should hopefully have already in your kitchen cupboards. So the 3 ingredients that I'm going to be using today to make your lips really soft and nourished and plumped are, firstly, jojoba oil. So I love this stuff, which you can probably tell because I've used so much of the bottle already. And the reason I love it so much is it's packed with so many vitamins. So you've got vitamin B, vitamin E. It also has zinc and copper, which means it is great for your lips because it keeps them really moisturized. Not only that, it's great for your skin. So what I like to sometimes do is before I go to sleep on clean skin, I lather it on my face and really massage it in. And because it doesn't clog your pores, it's great for acne prone skin. And also, due to it having vitamin E, it's really good that it helps slow down the skin's aging process and it leaves your skin feeling youthful for longer. Win-win. And another tip is I like to use jojoba oil to take off my makeup because it's got so many good properties in. It really just gets rid of the makeup and it doesn't dry your skin out, which is perfect. So that's the first ingredient. Don't stress if you don't have jojoba oil in the house right now. You can try making this lip scrub using coconut oil or olive oil as well. I just prefer jojoba oil just due to its benefits. The second product I'm going to be using today is honey. So honey is very naturally moisturizing, and it also has the added benefit that it helps your lips look very rosy, and it also helps with any discoloration that you have in your lips. So that's the second product. And finally, brown sugar. So I prefer to use brown sugar compared to white sugar because it's a lot more gentle on your skin. And yeah, this will be the exfoliant of the scrub. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking a teaspoon of each product and mixing it together. Okay, so I've got my bowl ready and I'm going to just put the teaspoon of each ingredient into the bowl. So that's the brown sugar. Next is the honey. Just putting that in, and I'm going to use another teaspoon for the jojoba oil. Just put that in as well, and I'm going to mix it all together. Alright, so it is pretty much all mixed together now, and if you want you can add more brown sugar. It really depends on the consistency of the scrub, so it's just based on your own preference. I think for myself this is fine, but if you want to add more sugar you can do that now. Right, so now I'm ready to put the lip scrub on and try it out. So I'm going to be using my ring finger because it is the most gentle of all fingers, and you don't want to be harsh on your lips. You want to be gentle, you don't want to over exfoliate, so that's why I like to use this finger. So put a bit on my finger and then I'm just going to start to rub it into my lips for about 2 minutes. I'm trying not to eat it at the same time. Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes now. I'm ready to wipe it off. While I do that, it's a perfect opportunity for you guys to like and subscribe to the beauty skin channel, if I can even get it right. Okay, so I've got it all off now. And before I even touch my lips, look how rosy they look. They look super rosy and really bright compared to before, and they feel so soft. They feel so soft, and they feel really nourished and moisturized. They feel really good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the remainder of the scrub into a small container, and you can then store this in a cool and dry place. You can put it in the fridge if you want, and you can use it for up to a month. And I would usually use it around about twice a week. I wouldn't use it anymore because you don't want to over exfoliate on your lips. So I'm just going to put that in the container now. Go. And before I go, I'm just going to talk to you about aftercare for your lips, and also when it's best to use the scrub to get the most out of it. So there we go, ready for the next use. So after I've used the scrub, I like to use the jojoba oil as a lip balm, and the reason being that the texture of jojoba oil is it's quite waxy, so this means that it creates a protective barrier on your lips which locks in all the moisture. And actually, since I've been using this scrub, I found that I don't actually need to use lip balm as often. They remain quite nourished and moisturized, and throughout the day I don't have to reapply lip balm on my lips because they feel dry or chapped or anything. I'm just going to put this on my lips. Also makes them look a bit shinier, doesn't it? Ah, they feel so soft. And with this on it, it just makes them feel so nourished. So there we go. So just some tips around when I like to use my lip scrub. So I either use it, like I said, I use it twice a week, and I either use it, number one, before I go to bed so that I wake up with super soft and plumped lips, or I like to use it before I put a lipstick or a lip gloss or something on, just to make them look extra plumped and extra good. So yeah, that's typically when I like to use it. So try out the lip scrub and let me know how you get on. If you got any comments or any questions, leave a comment below, and I hope you have enjoyed this video from Beauty Skin, and remember to like and subscribe to the page. Thanks, and keep an eye out for our next videos which I'll be uploading. Thanks guys.